Congratulations on your new smart device! In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps for setup that you can easily do at home. In addition to the contents of your product's box, you'll also need a small Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove the battery cover from your smart device and install the batteries provided. Then replace the battery cover, but don't power it on just yet. In Step 2, we move on to the smart gas tank sensor. Start by removing the battery cover using a small Phillips screwdriver. Install the batteries and replace the battery cover by screwing it back into place. Again, wait to power the device on. Step 3. Attach the smart thermometer using the installed magnets on the left side shelf fascia. Step 4. Insert the ambient temperature probe from behind the back plate of the smart thermometer and run probe wire from the side shelf into the inside of the firebox. Place the ambient probe through the grate clip and attach to the cooking grate to monitor the ambient temperature. Step 5. Power on the smart thermometer and insert 1 to 4 temperature probes into the probe slots as needed. Now you're ready to monitor the internal temperatures of foods being prepared using the smart thermometer or the app. Step 6. Attach the smart tank sensor inside the bottom panel, then place the gas tank on top of the sensor and power on the tank sensor. You will hear a beep, which means it's connecting to the smart thermometer. This will allow you to monitor the propane gas level in the gas tank on the device or on the app. Now you're all set and ready to enjoy your new grill. If you need any additional details, please refer to your use and care guide, which can also be found online at kenmoregrill.com.